How's it going, guys? Matt Stinchcomb with you again. As sports fanatics, few things can hamper being outside with friends watching the big game on the big screen, right? Unless pesky insects or sweltering heat or bone-chilling cold have a say in the matter. Look at it this way. If you've succeeded in settling your guests into the sights, sounds, and tastes of game day, then tending to their personal comfort will be a logical next priority. So, in this done-in-a-weekend game day tip, we'll take a look at several relatively low-cost, environmentally friendly products that'll help you do just that. Let's begin with insect defense. If you want to ensure your guests spend their time slapping high fives and not themselves, all-natural citronella candles or patio torches are two great deterrents. Pleasant smelling and non-toxic, both will provide an invisible barrier against gnats, mosquitoes, and other flying bugs. Simply position torches around the perimeter of your gathering space and candles in close proximity to seating and eating areas. Then everyone in attendance can just kick back and enjoy the game. Now that the flies have been kept out of the ointment, so to speak, it's time to turn our attention to a pretty important topic: temperature regulation. Taking in sporting events from an outdoor setting is super relaxing and offers a great alternative to traditional indoor viewing, assuming folks aren't too cold or too hot while doing so. Beyond providing the obvious things like blankets on brisk evenings or paper fans when the mercury rises, you might also consider buying or renting misting systems and portable heaters if the forecast is calling for excessive conditions. In much the same way bug barriers are positioned, plan on placing misters on the periphery of your gathering space and heaters in arm's reach of where folks will be huddling. And there's a couple of added bonuses with these two products. Kids get an absolute kick out of the misters, and the heaters add a cozy effect to any watch party. Oh, and a couple other things. Sunscreen, very important, and hot chocolate. Who doesn't love hot chocolate? In the end, the old sports adage that the best offense is a great defense couldn't be more true when it comes to hosting a game day gathering that everyone feels great being a part of as well. I hope this video has provided you with pointers that will help keep your guests comfortably glued to the screen until the final whistle. Be sure to check out xmark.com/college for more game day tips. Until next time, get outside and into the game.